Wade's Unboxings. Have a little unboxing here today. Little box from, I believe the company's called Super. Some information, not too much on the side. This side, I believe this is the model number, YH00034, and nothing else on there. So let's just open this up, see what we have here. So what we have is we have a cable. See what we have. And it looks like we have power brick. This is a new, or more or less a additional power unit, power brick for the ASUS Flip. It's an aftermarket brand. The specs seem to say it's compatible. The reviews on Amazon said also it was compatible. So it's an AC adapter, model number GA190024. The input is AC 100, 240 volts, 50, 60 kilohertz. And the output is DC 19 volts at 2.37 amps. Pretty much that's it. Okay, thank you. It's Wade, Wade's Unboxings. Don't forget to like and subscribe.